at the Foot Locker outlet. Definitely have to keep track of what's going on here because I got some crazy deals. And yeah, there's a lot of empty slots, which means people have been picking a bunch of stuff up. Holy cow, they got cleaned out. Apparently I'm late this morning. Holy crap, holy crap. We're out in East LA, 50% off everything. Well, almost everything. Only a couple of exceptions. I think this is not ringing up. El Grito, I think this is, right? They got some size 12s right here. This foam posit might be. I have a feeling it is. That's why it's still here. I think that's it. I think that's it for the exceptions. Never seen it like that. That is crazy. I did talk to one of the workers, asked if I missed out on anything crazy. They said, no, nothing crazy. Mostly generic stuff. Even the women's section, do got a few blanks. But like I said, I don't think there's anything crazy. All right, I guess we'll focus on what they got left over. $25 for the Cortezes right here. P6000 is going for $35. Full Force is right here for $25 as well. Adidas down to $20. Couple of Samoa, 3 different colorways. Got these Adidas right here as well. Got another Samoa, got Gazelles, cheaper than the Adidas outlet at $25. The handball specials, these are what, 40? And then Gazelles for $25. $15 for SL72. Still can't get rid of them for $15. That's freaking insane. Multiple colorways for $15. 2002. Oh, 990s? 990s right here for freaking $50. That is an awful color though. I'm not gonna lie. That's why it's on clearance. Got the warts. They're warped right now? Or is it just the warped? I don't know. $45 for the 574s. Oh, we saw these for $99 somewhere. And I guess they're not going for that price here. The Mafate Speed 2s. Okay, $170. Normally once go down to $160 and then $80 after the savings. What do you have for these? Are these Croc shoes? Croc shoes, not moving at $25. These look a little more like regular Crocs. The Echo Storms go for $25. At RSX, got some actual Crocs. $15 for Crocs is pretty crazy. GT 2160, some Converse. You don't see $25 Converse almost anywhere. Got more Crocs. Okay, that's kind of the men's section. Yeah, that's it. They do have items in the middle right here as well, like Air Max Plus right here, $90. It's a women's Cosmic Unity 3, yeah, $90. So was that $45? I think all this stuff is in the aisles and in the back though. Never seen this spot so low in merch. This is the random accessory section. I did get one of these last time. Did get one of these shorts right here. These are running shorts by New Balance. These are going for $10, normally $65. They got Locker brand shorts here. All going for $10 freaking Adidas shorts. I guess that's really good if you don't want to get run over. I guess those would be ideal for $7.50. Got hats, got a couple. They're floppy though. They're like the floppy hats. Got Yankees hats going for $10. Got some Nike hat for the lover. What the hell? What? Oh no, that's not the Nike ones. Okay. Got bucket hats right here. I was like, that's so cheesy, but they're just Nike ones. I don't know the price. Maybe it's 50% off retail. The retail is $36. Got New Balance Messenger bags. Yeah, these are $80. That's not marked, but that one is. It shows $50, so $25 down from $80. They got the PSD underwear. Those are going for $5. These are going for $10. And then they got socks and stuff like that. $15, $5. This is a hell of a deal for $5. 2 pair of socks, 6 to size 8 men's, $2.50. They got scrunchy socks. They got Jordan socks, $7.50. That's a little bit of a stretch right there. But yeah, they got some deals on socks. Haven't seen one of these in a while. A lot of kids don't even know how to use these things. What is this even called? A foot measurer? I don't know. What is this called? A Brannock device? And then do got the women's section right here, which does include Jordan 2s, probably smaller sizes. Pretty dope colorway right here. $30, $40 for all these Jordan 1 OGs right there. Do got some, what is these, 2 trays? Oh, for $40. Do got the these are the platforms, right? Yeah, the Blazer Low platforms, 25. Saw these earlier. Max DNs, 40, 45. DN8s right here, 50 bucks for DN8s. That might be cheaper than the outlets. Be cheaper than Ross and stuff as well. Got Dunks, Air Max Plus, Air Max 1s. Got some Pumas, the double bubbles up there. Specials, nothing too crazy. More $15 Ross specials right here. I say Ross specials because these have been at Ross. They're definitely not as cheap as 15 bucks. You get full box and stuff here too, so better for gifts and stuff. And then do got these the Taekwondos. Yeah, Taekwondos. Superstars, $25. Nothing crazy. Might have to go to some other spots. They do have a kids Foot Locker, and this area is pretty much cleaned out too. That's the grade school sizes right here. Look at this. Wow, I've never seen it cleaned out like this. Wow, that's why you guys have to come often, man. I've been telling you guys. Some people are like, oh, you keep going to the same spots. It's because this type of stuff happens. You have to catch it before. You got Zoom, the Zions, why they call it the Zooms? Why I call it the Zoom freaks. But yeah, they got Vomeros. Look at this, 40 bucks for Vomeros. This is really good for kids. And I did talk to one of the workers. Yeah, the foams and those Jordan 5 Gritos, the only thing not going for 50 off. But there's really not much else to show you guys, to be honest. All right, kind of a shorter video. We're gonna go to some other spots because I want these videos to be like at least 15 to 20 minutes. All right, this is the Foot Locker outlet out in, what is it, East LA? All right, let's go. I think they're sending stuff out. It's not even, they're not even getting cleaned out by the resellers, I don't think. I think they're sending stuff out. I don't know what's going on. We'll find out later. Next stop, North Hollywood. Damn. Stop by this spot on the way home. There's like so many empty shelves. What's going on here? What's going on, Burlington? This as well as the Foot Locker outlet, how it was. This is why you guys haven't not seen daily videos from me, to be really honest. It's great when there's stuff to show you guys, but when it's stuff like this Shaq shoes right here, these generic, extra generic Adidas and overpriced on running shoes, like really? Just not much to show you guys lately, to be honest. Romelios going for 60. It's a smaller size. Size 11 Romelios on running. Got the Lunar Roams, KDs. Really not much to show you guys. What are these even going for? No price tag. Even in the size 13, 14, 15s. Damn, usually they got some BS Nikes in a huge size. Moving over to the women's section. They got these NMDs, like velvet NMDs. This one comes with a little red mark. I don't know if it's showing up. I think it's showing up on camera, right? I like the velvet though. $35, size 8. But yeah, I can't get that with that red on it. Guess I'll start my Christmas shopping for my workers. But Christmas and birthday shopping actually, but yeah, I don't know if she likes NMDs anymore. She used to. I think she's graduated to like the Vomeros and stuff like that. But yeah, a lot of empty shelves. I saw these at Foot Locker for way cheaper. I'm gonna have to hit up some Nike outlets this weekend because yeah, these stores ain't got much right now. Ain't got much. Like Reeboks like that, that's about it. Apparel section, this is the fleece section right here. Bigger sizes, not much, but even in smaller sizes, and not much in terms of quality. Got one of these next door. Hopefully it's better here. Start off in the men's sneaker section over here. Okay, at least the shelves are full. They got some interesting stuff. Not great, but interesting at least. Got the, what are these? These are crazy infinities? Yeah, crazy infinities. They have been marked down. Look at this, $20 off a color, but 20 bucks, good price. Air Max 95. Are these these are the big bubbles right here. $90, not liking that price. Under Armour Rain boots, $30. What is this? Are these the upper different on these GT Cut 3s? Yeah, GT Cut 3s. The upper is way different. I've never seen one like that. $80, size 8, 8.5, something like that. Seen better stuff. I was gonna say I don't like the prices, but 28, not bad for those cons. What these Crocs? What are these Crocs? Some kids Crocs right here. These Transformers? Oh, Dragon Ball Z 23. Got some what are these? Ja 2s going for 70. Snoop dogs right here, marked down to $23. Yeah, those definitely look like Skechers. Definitely look like Skechers. Oh, the prices going down slightly, $70. We saw these for 80 a while back. That's the size 12. Maybe they're calming down with some of their prices. Yeah, there's another one. This like a size 10. Yep. Got these Air Max right here. These are women's. Go for 70. Book One denim 70. Yeah, they dropped the price by 10. Not so long ago, they were starting everything at 80. All the Nikes at 80s. All right, size 10s. These Ultra Boost 5X. Yeah, 5X. I think these are women's. Is these a women's or these are wide? Yeah, these are women's. 35. Oh, $35. That is a great price. That is a size 9. That's off color though. So that is a women's. At least they are dropping prices. Got some Reebok. What is this? Zig. One of the Zig Tech things for something. $30. That might be good news that prices are going down a little bit. 70 for the next gens. The quality ones right here. $50. $50 for those. Oh, okay. Prices going down big time. These are size 11. These are Rivalries, right? Rivalries $35. Some Air Max right here. What are these? 20. No, these ain't what's called. What the hell? I don't even know what the hell these are. $15? 65 it looks like. Zoom for 3s, bigger size. Don't know the price. No, it says 12, 13 and above. It says $12, $90 for the Pegasus Plus. Some GT cuts, like size 15 or something. Got industrial blue. What was it? Military blue? Yeah, this is a crazy huge size though. This is a crazy size 17 B grades. 17 B grades right here. People said that I brought in fakes on that last one. Like, really? Some of y'all really think I'm gonna waste time bringing stuff in like that? $85. Size 18s. This colorway right here is pretty freaking dope. GT cuts. Yeah, see, this is a material that I'm used to right here, like some synthetic material, not that plasticky stuff. $80. I'm telling you, that material is a little weird on that one. Air Max DNs right here, crazy huge size, $90. Got another one right here as well. And then the Air Max Plus was 14 or something, $90 for those. All right, let's try this area. I don't know. I doubt it, but let's try. Once in a blue moon, we found some jerseys, but haven't found much else. Fleece, Puma jacket, normally 90 down to 20. That's a small. They got a Under Armour t-shirt, $13. Nike pullover, dry fit, $100 down to 30. Columbia, they call that sportswear. That's interesting. $22 or $13. Nike when have Nike t-shirts only been $22? Yeah, 15 here. Nike hoodie. This is supposed to be in the medium section, but this is a small, 35. Adidas jacket right here, 80 down to, I don't know what the hell the price of that. Someone cut it off. What the hell? Another one of these pullovers, 30. Bigger sizes. Not much. Adidas pullover right here. This is going for 15. Yeah, not much. Moving over to the women's section over here. Got some North Face fluffy boots right here, $35. Quality wise, not too much, but at least their aisles are full of merch. At least giving me some hope. These are a grade school Force, Air Force One, go for 53. Air Max DNs. These are gonna be like priced hella high. Watch, like $90 or something. Yeah, 90 right there. Vans right here. These have been reasonable, 27. Seems like the Nikes are what they're jacking up the prices on, and some of the Nike prices going down at least. Damn, that's about it though, man. I'm gonna have to hit up some Nike outlets this weekend. Well, hopefully they're better than the Citadel though. All right, man, we out. We out for this one. Got more coming.